Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this smartband. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, the first way you can check, or you should be able to check the steps or the amount of steps taken on the smartband is on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. For example, this one does. That's the blue number basically. But if the watch face doesn't display it, you can always swipe left on the screen to get to the activity widget, and here we have the steps at the top. You can also tap on them and check the more detailed information right here. You can also open the activity app, so you can press the side button on your smartband to open the menu, then scroll down, find the activity records, tap on it, and here we can browse through the information. And if your smartband is paired with a phone, you can always check more detailed information in the phone app. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone here, zoom out the camera. Okay, open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app, you should see the activity widget right here at the top, and under it you should see today's steps. You can tap on this to open the detailed information for steps, and you have the daily, weekly progress, monthly and yearly. And you can also check your goal progress and stuff like that. You have more information basically. Okay, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.